Welcome to day 17. For today's sweet treat, I will be making these Rice Krispy Treats. Instead of making them from scratch, I decided to use store-bought. You will also need black and white candy melts. Open your treats and place them on a plate. Melt the candy in 2 different microwave-safe cups. Dip the treat into the black candy first and place them on a cookie sheet. Place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set. I will use an old medicine syringe to add the white candy on top. Place them in the freezer for about 10 minutes to set. Add to your favorite serving dish or plate and this snack is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.